Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Decorated Tea Party Club, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Okay, so the co-host of this collab is Easy Life, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, Diva Decorating, Table Talk with Robin, and Miriam Creative Corner. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their tea party. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you and tell you how grateful I am from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to go ahead and lead you to a little bit of music as I put this tea party together, and I'll see you at the end. So as you can see, I am exhausted from Thanksgiving and it is baseball cap time. Now I had some goodies left over and I thought it would be nice to add it to this little tea party setup. And doesn't it look so yummy, especially that chocolate cake? Okay, so it's time to light the candles and we're almost ready for the reveal. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living for hosting this collaboration along with all of her beautiful co-hosts, including me. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.